Hey y'all, it's Juliet. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'll be attending the University of Alabama in the fall, and I will be majoring in news media with a concentration in sports. And in today's video, I will be filming an Easter makeup tutorial, so let's get into it. So first, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation Pro Filter in 255. So we're just gonna start putting that on my face. I'm blending it in. Alrighty, so now that my foundation is done, we're gonna go in with this Airspun loose face powder. It's just translucent, and I'm gonna spray my brush with this Mario Badescu maybe facial spray. It's the purple one. A lot of people use it. I don't know. I just got it, and it helps make the powder go on a lot smoother. So we'll just give that a couple squirts. Oops, I probably shouldn't have done that near my camera. Okay. So, just get a little bit of that in there. And then and this just sets your foundation. It makes it look really nice. So. You guys probably can't tell the difference yet, but in person, it makes all the difference. Alrighty. I'm also on my floor, so that's why the setup's not that ideal, but that's the only place that I have a mirror. Alrighty, so next we're gonna move on to the eyebrows. We're gonna cap this first. Okay. And today I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. Looks like this. Oops, it's upside down. Looks like that. And I will be putting some MAC Fix Plus in here just to make it a little bit more nice to work with. That didn't make any sense, but it's okay. And then just apply this. And it's okay if it's a little sloppy, because I'll clean it up with the foundation. And then I'll go in, and I have this little flat concealer brush. I'm not sure exactly where I got it from, but it just looks like this. It's flat. Looks pretty nice. And then go in and basically just it a little bit. And now we're ready for the next eye. Okay, so now that we got my eyebrows done, we're gonna go in with this transition shade in the Desert Dusk palette. It's called Eden, or Eden, I don't know which one. And we're just gonna apply that to, since I don't have a crease, I just like apply it like above where my eyeball socket would be, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna go in with this fluffy blending brush. It is this airbrush. I got it from Ulta. Oh, it's by It Brushes, sorry. And it is number 105, if you guys want it. So we just picked up a little bit of that, and we're just gonna go in and blend it. It's by Morphe. I got it in a kit, so I don't know exactly which one it is because it doesn't have a number on it. And we're gonna go in with this brown shade. It's called Ember, and we're just gonna apply that to the outer corner and slowly bring it in. And then I'm gonna take that same brush by It Cosmetics and blend it out. Just keep on doing that for a little bit. So now that that's semi-blended out, we're gonna go in, let me find it, with this MAC pot. It's of soft ochre, and it looks like this. Mine's dried out because I accidentally forgot to put the lid back on one day. And we're going in with this flat brush by Morphe, and it's just like rounded. I use this for cut creases. So we're gonna half cut my crease. Again, since I don't have a crease, I just like guesstimate. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Turkish Delight. It's this one. And then I'm gonna go in with that other brush. Where'd it go? Okay, we'll use this brush. It's also by Morphe, and I also don't know the name of it, so sorry. And we're gonna go in with Saffron, and we're just gonna put that in the outer corner. And it looks like this. It's this one. It looks darker in person. It's like a dark brick red. And we're just gonna put it on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush again and just go back in with Eden. That way I can blend it better. And then I'm gonna pick a shade to go on the inner crease. right here. So I think I'm gonna go in. Guys, I'm making this up as I go, so I don't really know what I'm going for. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade, and it's called Celestial. I don't know how to pronounce words. Let me find a brush. Okay, I'm back. So I got this brush. I don't even know where it's from. I think, actually no, I bought it off of Amazon in this kit. I will try to find the link to the kit, but I forget what it is called at the moment. But I'm gonna go in with the Celestial. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce words. And I'm gonna just put it in the inner crease. It'll just add a little pop. Right there. Okay. And then I'm gonna finish the other eye, and then I'll come back whenever that's done. Alrighty, so I got my other eye done. And now we're gonna apply the eyeliner. Oops. I can't get it right. Okay. And we're gonna go in with the Morphe ink liner. It looks like this. Sorry, it's backwards, but. Von D Trooper Black liner. And then we're gonna clean it up with our foundation. And then that's one eye. And then I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'll be back. So now that both eyes are done, we're gonna move on to the fake eyelashes. And that's my favorite part. It really just brings the whole entire look together. So I cheat and I use tweezers, but it gives the best results, I think, personally. So these are the Marigold lashes by Sephora. Again, it's backwards, sorry. And we're just gonna go in and put the eyelash glue on first. So that way it gives it time for the glue to get tacky. Okay, so I just put a thin line on it. You guys can kind of see it. And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna put some mascara on that I forgot to bring down. And I use the Tartiest mascara by Tarte. And we're gonna curl my eyelashes first. I forgot if I brought this down or not. Okay. And now the glue's pretty much almost dry. It looks like this. And so we're just gonna start, place it in the inner corner. And that's how I do my eyelashes. And then after I do the other one, I'll go back through and curl this one again with the lash curler. And I'm gonna just do the other one. I'll do this one again on camera for you guys. So now that that's done, we can go in and do our last foundational stuff. So I'm gonna go in with this Becca Chloe Malika palette. It's just bronze, blush, and highlight. So I use the bronzer and just apply it below here and then up on my forehead. And you basically just make a 3. And then under my cheekbones. Okay, so now that's done, and then I'll go in with this darker blush shade. Apply it on the apples of my cheeks, and then I also swipe it up a little bit so that way it doesn't look like I'm a clown. And then my favorite part, well, my other favorite part, this is my favorite part for the foundation stuff, highlight. So I've been using the Cookie highlighter by Benefit. You can get it, it looks like this. And man, does it make you glow, let me just tell you. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna just get some on my brush. Literally not even that much, you can't even see it. And I start up here near my cheekbones, or up closer to my ear, and then I'll bring it down a little bit. Look at that glow. I love it. And then I'll just blend it out a little bit with my fingers. And then I'll also put it a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And blend it out a little bit. There we go. And now all we need is lipstick. So I will go pick out a lip gloss real quick and then I'll be back. Alrighty, so I couldn't find the one that I wanted, but we're gonna go with this Kylie's Cosmetics Shock Liquid Lipstick. It looks like this. And that's the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you guys would like to see in future videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You guys can follow my Instagram and add me on Snapchat, Juliet B514, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.